What's up, rollers, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are returning, shout out to you loyal rollers, and for those who are new, welcome to my channel. Please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of the latest content. So this is a video that I actually been wanting to do for such a long time, but I just never was able to do it. But today we're going to show you how to wake up with me. Which means hair routine, skincare routine, all that good stuff to get you refreshed and ready to start your day glowing, looking ready for the office, all that good stuff. So make sure you all just go ahead and subscribe like I said. And before I even start this video, I want to give a huge shout out to my best friend D Wood MUA, a talented makeup artist in Atlanta. He's absolutely amazing. Instagram, I'm gonna put her links in my description. Check her out, she's absolutely amazing. And I'm actually on vacation right now in Jamaica, so we're gonna go ahead, y'all, and let's get rolling. Let's wake up with Nick. All right, y'all, so the products I'm using today: one, Burpee's Gentle Cream Cleanser with aloe, I think that's how you say it. Anyways, I really love Burpee's products. I use it for my chapstick and all that because it is 98.9%, natural origin, not all those parabens and all that good stuff. So that's why I really love it. And I've been using this product for years, literally years, and it's done well for my skin. Anytime I'm on set, anything like that, the makeup artists always like, I barely have to add anything to you, maybe just a little bit of, to prevent shine. But other than that, they always, every single makeup artist, it never fails I go to, they say, you have nice skin. Never fails. And then the other product I'm going to be using is this Spin for Perfect Skin brush. Absolutely love it. They have a lot of different brushes. So they have the cleanser brush, they have an exfoliating brush, and then they also have a body brush. Absolutely amazing. So those are the two products I'm going to be using today for my skin. So let's get into it. So that's really all you need, to be honest with you. You don't want to, it's not like you're washing your face. You're just getting it, a little wet. You're nasty. Getting a little wet, a little damp, just so this can apply easier. That's how it works for me. So then you take your Spin for Perfect Skin brush, and then go ahead. I like to add a little amount, honestly. Just like, you don't need too much. This should be enough, if y'all can see. Bam, that's all you need. And then I also like to wet the brush because it applies easier that way. And then, why is my head being cut off? I'm sorry, y'all. And then bam, you apply it. See, like if you see right now, like it's kind of drying up some. You can see it drying up a little bit, so you can add a little more just to make sure you do have enough on that brush. Bam. Y'all, I'm sorry for this mirror. It's not mine. I am in an Airbnb and I wanted some Windex, but I didn't see none, so you just have to do it and make it do. Let's go around on your eyes, all that good stuff. Bam. And this is how you're going to be looking once you apply all of that cleanser. And I like to just let it sit for about maybe 2 minutes, just so it can, soak it in and cleanse your pores and all that good stuff. And after that, bam, you can wash that bad boy right on off. Make sure you all get a clean. I use a towel dedicated just for my face. And just pat your face dry. Bam, bam, bam. And then we're gonna apply moisturizer. All right, y'all, so there are a couple of products that I do use for my face in order for it to So I had really oily skin, like that I most definitely suffered with. But using these two products, one, I have the Cetaphil Oil Absorbent Moisturizer. And that really helps with the oil control on my face. And then, so I use this Cetaphil when I'm going out because it does also have sunscreen in there. So that's why I love it. It has SPF 30. So that's what I use, literally just a dab. Or if I'm staying in the house, I can't remember what the name is this. I'm on vacation, so that's why it's in this travel size bottle. But I do use this moisturizer as well. Once I remember, I'm most definitely will let you know when I use that. Use a dab of that as well. But since I'm not going out, well, since I have this, I'm going to show y'all how I use this Cetaphil. So I literally just use a dab, 1, 2, 3, and then you just moisturize that into your face. And you see how my skin is not making my skin. That's the thing. When I got this sunscreen, I remember I've been using every single product that I'm showing y'all today. I've been literally using it for years, and it has proven to work. So like I said, I suffered with oily skin. And that was really frustrating because I'm not trying to be walking around like a fried piece of chicken. So what I realized when I did a lot of research and I did a lot of trial and error as well, I wanted a sunscreen that was oil absorbent, great for oily skin. And I finally came across one, which is the Cetaphil, and it has worked amazingly. Just use a little dab, it has the sunscreen in it as well. Absolutely amazing, proven, tested, Nicholas approved. Absolutely love it. 10 out of 10 would recommend. That's why I'm saying it today. And then this moisturizer as well, absolutely amazing. My skin is not oily. I mean, of course, there's going to be natural oils that come on your skin, but if y'all saw how my skin used to be, I used to be so pissed because you get sunscreens. It's just completely oily on your skin. It's just not cute at all. But Cetaphil, that's it. And also, y'all, none of these products in this video are being sponsored. So this is literally me being 1000% authentically me. Get these products if you suffer with oily skin. They're going to be amazing for you. So as y'all see, I didn't add a lot to my face, but it most definitely gets the job done. You're moisturized and you're also protecting yourself against the sun rays. So that's absolutely amazing. So now, y'all, that ends the skincare part, and now we're just going to go right into the hair care part. Really quick and really easy. All right, y'all, and then the last product is going to be Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And I use this simply because my waves are not really short right now. But if you know, waves are literally just elongated curls. So in order to help get these waves, I know there are a bunch of products out there, but I just use literally, y'all, a little bit of this. Go ahead and moisturize that into your hair. And to be completely honest with y'all, I actually use this at night because I like to keep the do-rag on after I put this in, in order for just to lay down your hair and all that good stuff. So I really use it at night. I use a different oil during the day, but I'm gonna show y'all this. I just use that as basic. Y'all know when I go to the store and it's like a 98-cent hair, I think, argan oil, something like that. Where's my brush at? Y'all can see I literally just used a dab. Go ahead, and when you're brushing waves, I'm not a wave specialist, so I'm not gonna tell you, because as y'all can see, I don't really have the most wavy hair right now. So I just like to brush. Really, I do 50 strokes. Ooh.
You nasty. You nasty, Paige. You nasty. What you doing?
Hey, my gosh. I just do 50 strokes all around, honestly, y'all. So you go to the front, and after that, you go to the side. Ooh, mosquitoes. Then you go to the back. So there are a lot of videos on YouTube, y'all, that's gonna show you how to wet your hair. I am not one of them. And after that, you go to the other side. Then come back to the front, just finish it all up. And then after that, get your handy dandy do-rag. Oh, these mosquitoes got today. Get your handy dandy do-rag, and you throw that bad boy on. Something just big, bro. This is ridiculous. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just making with these mosquitoes. They absolutely love me. And then, bam, bam, bam. That's how you do that. And then that's how you do that, and bam, y'all. So that is my skincare routine. Well, y'all, that ends my skincare routine video. I want to thank you all so much. If you made it to the end of this video, you truly are a real one. Like I said, this is not a typical video that I do. But if you all like this content, please make sure you all subscribe, comment what you want to see me post next, and like, so it helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Y'all, as I always say, please remember, stay safe, stay blessed, stay happy, tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later.